Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Zelda Tears of the Kingdom on PC. First, ensure your computer meets the necessary specifications for emulation. You'll need a robust processor and a capable graphics card to handle the game smoothly. Remember, using legally obtained game files is crucial for a proper and ethical emulation experience. This guide will walk you through the process step by step. Next, you'll need to acquire the right software. Download a reliable Nintendo Switch emulator, such as Yuzu or Vuejinx, from their official websites. After installing the emulator, you must obtain the game's ROM file from your legally purchased copy. Additionally, install the required firmware and decryption keys within the emulator to ensure the game runs correctly. Now, let's configure your emulator for the best experience. Dive into the settings to adjust graphics options, balancing performance versus visual fidelity based on your PC's capabilities. Set up your preferred controller, whether it's a keyboard, mouse, or gamepad, for comfortable gameplay. Regularly updating your graphics drivers is also vital for stability and improved frame rates. If you encounter any issues, don't worry. Many common problems have straightforward solutions. First, verify that your PC meets the emulator's minimum system requirements. Consult online communities and forums for specific error codes or performance issues. Sometimes, trying a different emulator version or adjusting a single setting can resolve persistent problems, getting you back to Hyrule.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.